So the first expansion, important expansion, is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. This is also written in books as x square plus 2xy plus y square. So both of them are okay, because I have remembered it like x square plus y square plus 2xy. So that is why I prefer that. Usually in books they write this 2xy term in the middle. Both are okay. Now, one important thing before we go forward is, most of the students make this mistake that they assume that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square. This is what they assume. No, that is not true. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. This is the complete formula. So don't assume that x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square. It's a very typical mistake. Similarly, you should also understand that x plus y whole cube is not equal to x cube plus y cube. There's an expansion for this, but we are not doing it here. There's an expansion for this. So this is what I want to clarify. This is the first formula you need to cram. X minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Again, in books, minus 2xy is written in the middle. Both of them are okay. Again, here also, this 2xy, what is the meaning of 2xy? 2xy implies that 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So this is a sign of multiplication that I'm using. So 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. This is what you need to remember. Okay, third expansion, x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. X square minus y square. This is the third formula that you need to remember. Now this is the fourth. This is basically a result of this only, x plus y whole square only. But my suggestion to you would be to understand how this is done. So x plus 1 upon x whole square would be equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. Now see here, it will be twice of x multiplied by 1 by x. So this x and this 1 by x will cancel. This x and 1 by x will cancel, and we'll be left with 2 only. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Now this is the fact which is used in a lot of questions where they ask you the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So remember, in the questions, when they are asking you about x square plus 1 upon x square, you should always remember that this might be equal to x plus 1 whole square minus 2. So x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2, because this plus, when it comes on the left hand side, it becomes minus 2. So that is why I have written it like this. Also, in a lot of questions, you'll have question like this, where they would say x square plus 1 upon x square, x square plus 1 upon x square, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2. So here there is a minus outside and plus inside. Here there is a minus inside and plus outside. So how do we get this? We know x minus 1 upon x square, 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 multiplied by 1 upon x multiplied by x. So this will cancel, and that is why you see a 2 only here. And if I take this 2 on the left hand side, I am left with x minus 1 upon x whole square plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. So hope this is clear. So these are important expansions. They are usually used in questions like these. So all these questions use all these expansions. So you might be in class 8th or you might be in class 9th. I'm talking about the ICSE boards. Usually in algebra, students face difficulty in these kind of questions, and this is how the expansions are done.